Alright, how's everybody doing? Today I'm going to show you one of my mentor's effects. Okay, this is called consistent cries and whispers, and I'm just going to perform this for you today. I have two queens. These are my two lovely assistants. I'm going to put them in here. We'll get back to them in a moment. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through the cards like this. Okay, I'll just deal through the cards, and I'm going to have a spectator say stop. We don't have a spectator here, so we'll just say randomly pick a spot. Let's say they said stop right there. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the queens out, and we're going to set these cards down. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you these cards. Okay. So here's the first card. All right. I'm not going to look at the card. The queens are going to tell me. They're going to take a little peek. Okay. They take a peek at the card, and they're going to whisper into my ear. And they said it was a 6 of spades. That's what they told me. See if they got that right. In fact, there it is, the 6 of spades, right? So we set the 6 of spades down, right there. And the next one, the queen's going to take a little glimpse at. I'm not even going to look at the card. They're going to tell me. They told me it was a 3. Oh, one more look. They're going to whisper in my ear. They told me it was a club. It was a 3 of clubs. In fact, you can see that it is the 3 of clubs. It's amazing, right? Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that 3 of clubs. Okay, that was the second selection, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the queens down right over here. Okay, 2 queens I'll set down here, and then I'm going to take the 2 selected cards. I'm going to place these inside the box very cleanly, like so. You can see they're going inside the box. Okay, 2 cards in the box, just like so. Now we'll close the box, and you can hear them in there. And right over here we have the last one, so we're going to show you the last one. Okay, and I'm not going to look at the card, but what's going to happen is the queen's going to look at it. I'm going to take a little peek. See, the queens are my assistants. They're going to tell me. They told me it was a spade, and they told me that it was the 8 of spades. And look at that. That's a miracle, because we have here the 8 of spades, right? Now, what's really cool about this is that you can see that that is in fact the 8 of spades. Okay, and I will take the 8 of spades out, and I think we're going to put that into the box right over here. So we'll have them hold out their hand, and then we'll take the 8 of spades, and what we'll do here is we'll very cleanly put that inside the box as well with the other selections. As you can see, you'll see everything I'm doing goes into the box. You can see, you can hear it, all 3 selections in the box, and we're going to have the spectator hold on to that in their hands. Okay, now watch. The queens are going to whisper something to me. They told me they're not comfortable. They told me they're claustrophobic because, actually, look, the queens are gone. I can't hear them because they vanished. There's 1, 2, 3 selections that were in the box a moment ago. I can't explain it, but if you open the box and the spectator opens the box, you find the 2 lovely assistants, which can be signed if you wish. So I hope you like that. That's my mentor, Allan Ackerman's Consistent Cries and Whispers from the summer of 1997 lecture notes.